E0009. hanjabible. The bird. Third tone. Noun, the second heavenly stem, second in a series. Adjective, curved, bent. In Mandarin Chinese, this word is
弯曲
curved and
弯
to bend, read as
移
a bird gliding and curving over the water, the free movement of the Holy Spirit. E0008 brought the movement of heaven, earth, and man to completion, but starting with E0009, the world begins to claim this freedom for itself, and corruption begins. The Spirit's movement is free and good, but the world twists this freedom toward its own fallen ways. John, chapter 3, verse 8. The wind blows wherever it pleases. You hear its sound, but you cannot tell where it comes from or where it is going. So it is with everyone born of the Spirit.
移
Why the third tone? The third tone dips down, then rises again. Just as a bird lowers itself into the water, then lifts off in flight, so the third tone falls and rises. The wind, too, blows south, then turns back north, circling in balance. Therefore, this character is the third tone. Yulsa. The combination of the second heavenly stem and the sixth earthly branch. Historically, the Yulsa Treaty was signed in this very year of the cycle.
以四
Ordinary people. An everyday man and an everyday woman. Every ordinary person in this world is a precious being made in God's image.
假男乙女
Twists and turns. The bends and turning points of life. The twists and turns of our lives, too, become a beautiful story in God's hands.
区区
Welcome to hanjabible. If this word blessed you, please like, subscribe, and set the bell. Help spread this word to all the world.